happy dance, 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 woo, happy dance. Okay guys, intro. Yeah guys, it's quite obvious, isn't it? This is the update I promised you guys. The update about my vlog. No, my visa. My visa. The update about my visa. What's it? It's an update for my vlog about my visa. Anyways, let's cut this short. I got the approval. This means I'm going to America for sure now. This is all set in stone. Yes. Now, this is actually worth keeping watching me. Because in a month and a half, I am gone with the plane on the other side of the planet. And I'll be in New York. Happy dance, happy dance, happy dance, happy dance, happy dance. See you guys later. Happy dance, happy dance, happy dance. Happy dance, happy dance, woo! Happy dance, happy dance, happy dance, happy dance.